Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Gets Kicked Out of Dispensary Makes Things Much Worse.
2025, officers responded to a dispensary for a call of a customer causing a disturbance.
Hello.
Hello.
How can we help you?
Her in here that I'd like removed.
You want
today. She's just being generally disruptive.
Okay, it's your establishment,
yeah.
so.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello.
Hi. I wasn't being disruptive at all. She checked me in, came in, gave her my ID. I went in there. When I went in, my hood happened to be up like this a little bit. When I was out here, it was fine. It wasn't a problem. I went in there. That lady right there with the hat on, she was like, "You need to take your hood off." I was like, "Okay, why do I need to take my hood off? If I have an ID, you just check my ID and you know who I am. What's the reason for me taking my hood off?"
Oh, my boy just got right. He just got right. That's that walk right there. He just got woo.
Hood off.
He
if
got
I
his
have
stuff,
ID, you
boy.
just check my ID and you know who
About
I
to have
am.
a good day.
What's the reason for me taking my hood off? So I'm like, "Okay, I'll take my hood off." And I was like, "But if I take my hood off, shouldn't you have to take your hat off?" And she was like, then this lady came out. She started talking to me. She started talking to me crazy.
Let's talk outside so they can do business.
This lady came out, started talking to me all types of crazy.
Hold on.
This lady came out talking to me all types of crazy, talking about, "Okay, well, we're just not going to help you." Well, I just paid $20 for an Uber to come up here. I spend hundreds of dollars in here. Like, literally, they're just, I don't know what it is. Discrimination is the fact that I got a hijab on my head and I got tattoos and Arabic tattoos. I don't know what it is. The white lady's the one.
That's a hijab?
Huh? Yes, it's just tied over my head differently.
Oh, okay.
I'm Lebanese.
Okay. Nothing wrong
I literally didn't do anything to them, and then they got to the point where they was finna let me buy my weed, and then that bigger lady that was just standing right there, she came and snatched the tablet out of the lady's hand, and she was like, "Nope, you know what? We're not gonna serve her."
Okay. They have a right to not serve you. Okay.
I just paid $20 to come up here. The only thing that I was trying to get resolved was for me to buy my weed and leave.
And you know there's other places to buy weed, right?
I just paid over $20 to bring me up here.
Why you yelling?
Okay, so
I don't have the problem with you, okay?
are you not understanding what the issue is?
Yeah, I do.
I just paid money to come up here.
If you're being an issue in there,
I wasn't. I was standing in line, and she came up and started with me.
Okay.
I wasn't talking to nobody. I wasn't doing anything. I was standing in line waiting.
What's your last name?
Why does my last name matter?
Okay. If you want to leave, go ahead. If you want to leave, go ahead and just walk away, okay?
You're free. Oh, shit. Oh, boy. Listen. This is your out. The cop is giving you an out. You're free to go. If you want to go, you're free to go. Right now, I wouldn't be arguing, talking about, "Oh, I just paid $20 for Uber." The next words that would be out of my mouth if I was her. "All right, sir, you got it." And I would start walking. I don't think she's gonna do that, but that's what I would do, though.
You have to leave, actually, because they don't want you here.
I'm not understanding why they just can't serve. Okay,
They're not going to serve you anything. It's their house, their rules.
Okay, then I need to be reimbursed for them.
Nobody's going to reimburse you.
Okay, well,
you can complain to just
the
call.
bosses that they refuse to name because they treat people like this all the time.
But you can call in. You know the number here, right? You just Google the number and ask for a manager. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Okay.
So because I came in here with a hijab on my head and tattoos on my face.
I don't know if that's the reason or not, but
that is the reason.
Okay. Do they want her trespass? Yeah, you got to provide your information. They want you trespass now, so you can't come back here.
See, you had your chance. See, you had your chance before he had to confirm and do all of that. I mean, I would have been gone already. I would have been out of there. Gone. I would have already been across the street, down the block, walking wherever. Gone. You wouldn't see me no more. That's it.
Last name, please. You can't walk away.
Oh, now you want to walk away. See? You messing up.
You can't.
I'm gonna arrest you.
You can't arrest me. I didn't do anything. I need
your ID. They're gonna ban you, and that's it.
Okay, so banned me. They have my information in there. I just gave it to them.
Do I have to detain you? It's not that hard. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't make me put my hands on you. It's not that hard. I need your ID, please. Okay.
They have my ID. They never.
You pulled it out.
No, I didn't. I pulled out my Cash App card.
They still have your ID?
Yes, they still have my ID.
Okay, you're not free to leave, okay?
I am free to leave. I'm not under arrest. I didn't break any law.
You want me to detain you then?
You cannot detain me if I did not break a law.
They want you banned, so I have to ban you.
So they can ban me.
Yes, we are. We're going to ban you.
They have my information inside.
We got to give you your notice, and then you're free to leave. Until now, you're not free to leave, okay?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No,
That's not how this works.
Yeah,
how do you
poor
know?
Uber
because
driver.
I've been in this situation before. That's not how this works.
Well, I've been a police officer over 20 years.
And I don't care how long you've been a police officer.
Yeah.
What you're doing right now is illegal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Well, are you leaving your ID then? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm leaving and I'm getting away from you because you're trying to take me to jail over them discriminating against me.
If you feel that you're being discriminated against, there's other ways to do that. Code 4. But yeah, you're not free to leave, okay?
Don't touch
She's not
me.
free to leave. I'm not going to touch you. You're not free to leave.
I'm not under arrest. You cannot. What?
You don't fucking touch me.
What do you mean? This is.
You're
You
on.
see this? Get off of me. Get off of me.
You're under arrest now.
Call the police.
I am.
I'm not talking about you. Look at how he's looking at you. What you're doing is illegal. This is police brutality.
302.
Get off of me.
Here. She's under arrest.
Get off of me. How am I under arrest? Get
You don't
off of
move
me.
my hand. You
Get
touch
off
me.
of me.
That's
Because you cannot touch me if I am not being arrested. Get off of me. Get off of me. Sir, get him off of me.
Damn, my boy just trying to make a couple of extra dollars. You know what I'm saying? My boy right here, he just trying to make a couple extra dollars. Maybe the kids got soccer or something going on. He said, babe, I'm a go out here, do a couple Uber runs or whatever, make a couple extra dollars for the home. And he got to deal with this. I'm talking about the Uber driver. he looking like, well, damn, what did I get myself into? People be taking that stuff, man, yo, it be some crazy stuff. I used to do Uber sometimes, man, the type of situations you could get into or the type of characters you meet is wild.
We're pulling her out.
Sir, get him off of me. He just attacked me. He just tried to choke me. You guys cannot do this. This is illegal. Like, what the?
Here, on the You're breaking your phone.
Ow, my leg!
She's doing the splits.
No, bro, what the fuck? What are you doing?
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop.
Sir, can you call somebody to help me, please?
I was trying to help you. I said you were just getting a ban notice. Make a 362 or 95 one time.
Don't touch me anymore. I need a sergeant right now. Do not touch me anymore.
We're beyond that. You can't resist arrest. You can't.
I wasn't under arrest.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. You said you were trying to write me a notice for trespassing. You have my
We're
information
trying
in
to
there.
detain you or put cuffs on. You can't fight us.
You cannot detain me if I'm not doing anything
Yes,
to
we
be
can.
detained.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Ready?
You ready to get up? Come on. 3.
I need my stuff.
What's that? What's that? The vape and we'll grab
All
it.
of my stuff is.
We'll grab it.
Can I tell him where all my stuff is at?
Don't look at me.
I'm not looking at you. I'm talking to them. I'm not trying to spit at you.
You gotta calm down. You gotta calm down.
I'm trying to get my stuff.
We'll get it.
You don't even know what is mine.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. I have stuff in that car too. That is an Uber.
Set for 62.
Status.
Go.
Please help me. Where is Zach? Where's Zach? No, where's Zach Johnson? Where's Zach Johnson?
Who?
Where's Zach Johnson?
Okay, whoever you feet. We'll call.
Where's Zach Johnson? Where's Zach Johnson?
Is that just Keith?
Hey, you need to stay back. I'm just going in there.
Okay.
They just tried to break my leg, sir. They literally just tried to break my leg, sir.
What's that?
She told me she didn't have an ID, but
Okay.
All right, have a seat.
Did you get all my stuff?
I'm going to walk and grab it. Yes.
I have a...
Put your foot in. I'm going to grab it.
You did not arrest me.
I wasn't going to arrest you until you touched me and moved my
I didn't
hand.
touch you. I
Put your
touched
leg
the door.
in.
You're a liar.
I'm going to close your foot in the door. Yeah, I'm going to close the door. Okay, sorry about that. Are you hurt or anything?
Yes, I am.
What's wrong?
What do you mean? You bent my leg the complete opposite direction of what it was supposed to go. My head is busted open. I need to go to the hospital.
Okay. Are you gonna be? You want somebody else?
I also have medical problems. What do you mean?
You still have to go to the jail though. Okay.
No, I have to go to the hospital. What do you mean?
But after that you'll go to the jail. Okay.
For what I didn't do anything.
Yeah, but after that, you'll go to the jail. The hospital is just going to prolong the process.
I didn't. Can I?
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Yeah. People think going to the hospital isn't out, like you're going to just magically get out of whatever trouble that it is that you're in. No. You're just going to prolong the process, man. It is what it is. And she ended up having her ID on her the whole time. See, that's why I said, when he said you're free to go, I would have been in that Uber and already gone. At that point in time, I didn't know that was her Uber. That's why I said, man, I'll be walking across the street. I'll be gone. You wouldn't see me no more. But your car right there, you're free to go without the paperwork, because you want to sit there and argue with him. So now he's going to confirm, and now it's going to, but at first he just get out of here. Say no more, sir. I'm gone. See ya.